Papercraft Little Things. I'm Andrea, thanks for joining me. I just wanted to come on really and just wanted to show you, I want to do a little review of a magazine and the company that I bought it from. I'll just tell you a little quick bit about how I came about it. I got this beautiful card, you see it, from Anne-Marie McLean, who is in the Ben's Beanies groups, and she's also in, she used to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I think she still is a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I can't remember, but she's in she's in Joy Sets group and things like that, various groups that I'm in, and she's a fellow crafter, and obviously we knew we both liked Papercraft, but we discovered we both also like crochet knitting. I don't know, I think Anne-Marie knits and crochets, I only crochet. Anyway, so she sent some hats through to the Ben's Beanies project, and she sent this beautiful card with them, and I thought, wow, where did she get that stamp set from? I love it. And so I asked her, and she told me it was free with the magazine. And she told me the magazine, and so this was only yesterday, I think. So I went online and I bought them. I looked for the magazine and I bought it. Now I bought it from a place called Hixie Soft. It was $5.99 with free postage, and it came today. Today's Saturday, and I only bought it yesterday afternoon. So I was really impressed with that. And I've never heard of them before. Free delivery on all their orders, and they do back issues of magazines, and they sell stamp sets and papers and things like that, lots of craft stuff, from people I've not really even heard of before. Anyway, so I'm going to go obviously and have a look at their shop. The magazine came in this gorgeous, really super thick foiled envelope, which I absolutely love, and which is, you know, it was so substantial that I'll definitely be recycling that and using it again, and hopefully whoever I send something to using it will also recycle it, and that'll have a bit of life in it for a few postal deliveries yet. So the magazine then was called Creative Stamping, I think it's called. Yeah, Creative Stamping. And the price, I mean, it's supposed to be $8.99 when you buy it in the shop, and I got it for $5.99. It is a back issue. It's issue number 55, and I don't know what the date on that is, but I would kind of think that by the content it might be sort of springtime, I don't know. Anyway, it has free stuff in it worth £25, and that obviously includes this lovely stamp set. Well, I had no idea just how lovely this stamp set was until I received this. I haven't even opened it yet, as you can see, but the stamp set is on the back, so you can see it on the back. And the stamp set features designs by Stamps by Chloe, who I, to be honest, have never heard of. And also a paper pack and coordinating buttons. 38 stamps in the stamp set. I mean, look at there. Even the packaging's fab, and reusable. So, fun stamper's journey, wooden accents, it says on the little pack. Oh, a couple have popped out. And it's a little, I love these fasteners. Don't even ask me why. I think they just remind me of old filing closures, and I love filing systems. Anyway, so there's some wooden buttons. There's a couple of different shades, a couple of different designs. Some have got like a stitch around them. Some have got a rim. They're just, I mean, they're going to come in handy. Definitely going to come in handy for me, because I love buttons. I use lots of buttons in my various crafts. So yeah, they'll be really useful, and I just love them. And I'm going to be doing a lot of clearing out of stash very soon, so I thought I'll either sell things, or I'm just going to be giving stuff away in giveaways. So even if I don't use them, somebody else might. although I can't see myself giving buttons away because I use so many of them. So, and I love them. So anyway, that's that. Then also in the magazine, so this magazine is normally £8.99. I've never had it before, I've never seen it before. Stretch your stamps, masculine designs and add new patterns to try something new. New from Sheena. I have heard of Sheena. She's Sheena Douglas from, seen her on Papercraft. Perfect paper, add pattern and detail to your stamp designs with pretty paper. 107 stamping ideas for you to try. 27 projects using your free stamps plus a bonus video. Plus new releases from Visible Image. Helpful hints and step by step. So, here's Chloe Creative Cards. Oh, right. Lovely. I'm just going to flick through. Stamp masking, papers, techniques, stamping news. I think this is possibly, like I said, from the spring. Just because it's about sort of flowers and things like that. Oh, here, look, and it's advertising some shows that are coming up in April. So yeah, it probably is about springtime. Craft stash. Stamps. The letters section. Spring has sprung. Yeah, it definitely is spring. Sending loads of love, free stamp, white, how to get blended stress ink on a piece of white, card stock and splatter with water and deficit. So it's really detailed instructions of how to do things. That's really great. Develop your Copic colour and create cute all occasion cards. Wow, so there's some really good, look at that. It's fabulous. Oh, Panther, I forgot. Yeah, so there's some lovely, all these cards can be made with the free stamps that have come, with the envelope, with the magazine. What's this? What am I going to this? Am I going to a big craft fair? Oh, look how pretty that is. So cute. So yeah, it's always worth, well, I just think because this magazine's £8.99 and it's only £5.99 with free postage, so it's worth having a look, isn't it, and seeing what's available. Oh, look at that, so cute. Now that will make Papercraft Essentials. I think I signed up to that and they never sent me anything. So, more things you can do with your free stamps. First home and hobby cutting machine with a built-in scanner. What's that? Scan and cut, yeah. Scan and cut's one of those things I think if I was to buy it, I'd probably never use it. There's a Stampin' Up one, Moon Baby, which is retired now. Oh, so they do review kind of a range of the market. Look at that, it's lovely. Yeah, so if you're the sort of person who likes a magazine to learn from, then yeah, this might be something you'd enjoy. Now these are the free papers that came with the magazine. Oh my goodness, I never expected there to be this many. Crikey. There's some that can be cut out. Then used as toppers. Quite nice quality. It's just the plain reverse that you could use. They're great. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but that's got like a leaf pattern. Oh, you can see it. It's got like a leaf pattern. Lovely butterflies. Lovely stripes, spots. Can't go wrong with stripes and spots, can you? It's a lovely quality, this. It's like, and it's not like Stampin' Up! Paper, it's like an envelope quality paper. Oh, look at that. I like that. Lovely colour. That's like a purpley blue, sort of a lively blue. And then another one of everything again on the other side. Going back the other way. Oh, that's amazing. I didn't even know that you got things like this free in magazines. Probably because I see an £8.99 magazine and I think I'm not paying that for a magazine. But a £5.99 magazine now. Now you're talking. Free stamps by Chloe Bundle when you subscribe, worth £52. So there we go. So this is the stamp set. I mean, look at the size of that. It's an A4 stamp set. I don't think I've ever had an A4 stamp set. It's had to be folded over to fit in the envelope. There's some like newborn ones. As I see, fit in the envelope. That's why it looks now. Bright and Breezy stamps by Chloe. I have to take it out. I'm one of these people, I have to unwrap things and start using them straight away. So there's the sports kit with a scarf. There's like a climbing vine with a rope across. It's a boy, it's a girl, congratulations. Little booties, little bib, little baby grow, or onesie, whatever you call them nowadays. The happy birthday that could go across there. There's the plain washing line with the pegs, a shirt, a tie, a lady's dress, underwear. Thanks for your support. I mean, that would be great, wouldn't it, to put on a card for a woman friend. There's two trees or branches that can be used to string between. Oh, pants. Sorry, I forgot. Sending loads of love. There's the basket of laundry. Craft and Forever Housework Whenever. Hang in there. The perfect pair. Little heart to put on the tree, on the washing line, or to hang from the tree. A pair of socks. An exploding sort of heart splosh. Flowers. Grass. A teddy bear that's hanging off the washing line. And a friend is like a good bra, hard to find, supportive and close to your heart. How amazing is that? I have to make a card using it now, like immediately. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just looking to see what Anne-Marie's used. And look at that. It's lovely, isn't it? So she hasn't even attached sort of her line to anything. It's just there. And she's used this one and she's used this one. Oh, look how good her colouring is though. I don't think I could ever colour like that. Well, I'll give it a go. So anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you as an idea and a way to get some, I mean, £5.99 for the papers, the stamps, the buttons and all the inspirational ideas. That you cannot go wrong. You really can't. So thanks for joining me and I'll see you again very soon. Bye. So I thought I'd just make a couple of quick cards using these free stamps. First of all, I've already done the work, so it's just going to be more a sticking together job. A really super simple, I've used the gorgeous soft sea foam from Stampin' Up, which is a really barely green. It's absolutely lovely. I love it. And I've just done a 6x4 and I've just done a 1/8 of an inch smaller Whisper White topper. My trimmer needs a blade replacing, so the edges are a bit fuzzy. And all I've done is a bit bright, isn't it? All I've done is I've used these tree stamps to make the 2 trees, hung up the washing line from it, hung a teddy, and I just coloured him in soft sea foam. Stamped the grass, I think I stamped the grass in mint macaron, and then I used this little heart one and hang in there sentiment, and this was all done in crumb cake. Okay, I think it was, yeah, it was done in crumb cake. So that's all there is to that one. A really super simple card there. Oh, look on the back, that's where I had a go at blending and just made a hash of it. I need to watch some videos on blending colours. I need to spend more time watching some on Jackie's because she's really good at it. JMC Creates, that is, if you're not, don't know who I'm talking about. So there we go, just a really super simple card, but it's so cute, and the stamps just speak for themselves. You have to excuse me, I've got a really bad cold. And then for this one, I've just got a piece of Whisper White, extra thick, and again I've just made it 6x4. 6x4s are just so easy to work with, I think, for me. And I've got a piece of retired DSP. I can't remember what this was called. Might have been Year of Cheer, I think. But I'm going to use the ditzy side, and you'll see why in a minute. And I'm just going to stick that on. You know, when your Tombo's almost had it, but not quite. Let's put quite a bit on there because it's textured. So I'm going to just pop that on, and that again is just 1/8 of an inch smaller than the base all round. Quite like that just as it is. Sorry. And then I use the little bra stamp and just the washing line on its own. And thanks for your support. And I'm just going to pop that on there. And that's going to be it. Another really super simple card, letting the stamps speak for themselves. Sometimes, a lot of what I do, a lot of the card making I do is just, you know, really quick and easy things, just thank you cards and things like that. They don't have to be like intricate, really, you know, tough to make cards or anything. They're often just quick thank yous and things. So something like this is just ideal. It's cute, it's fun, it's not on straight. Sorry about that. But yeah, it doesn't even matter that it's not on straight, to be honest. But it's just fun, and it's, you know, it's going to make someone smile. And so is that one, you know, someone who's going through a rough patch, like I am. I need one of these. I'm like, oh, so busy. I've got so many things going on, and I'm so poorly. And yeah, well, you know, you just keep on going, don't you? And that's the best thing to do, rather than waste life wallowing. So yeah, so that set is really lovely. So, I mean, if you do want it, it's probably still available. And as I say, I think that was issue, I can't remember what issue magazine it was now because I put it away. But yeah, a great little set. And a fab free gift. And what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be making the free papers that came in the magazine. I'm going to use these to make my sketch challenge cards this week. So I'm going to be making those next. So watch out for those, because I'll upload them probably all on the same day, because Saturday is card making day for me. So yeah, so look out for those. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon.